Hi friends, welcome. This is the part for which we have to write the program, and in the given question we have spindle speed is equal to 600 rpm and feed rate is equal to 0.2 mm per revolution. We have to write manual part program for finishing the component. Here friends, we have raw material which has diameter 40 mm and length as 80 mm. We have to make this raw material into this part which is in blue line, which has a length as we can see here 30 mm and 30 mm, and this diameter is 30 mm and this diameter is 20 mm. So friends, let's start with our part programming. Here friends, N0, N1, N2, N3 and so on are the sequence numbers for our each program line here. First is here friends, N0 is N0 G90. G90 is for friends absolute program mode. Next is N absolute program mode. Next line is N1 for N1 G71. Here friends, this is for metric mode. Next N2 G93 M40 S600. Here friends, this is RPM range. This G94 93 sorry G93 is for RPM range and M40 is for low speed range, and here S600 is our RPM which is given as 600 RPM here. Next line is N3 G95. G95 is for feed rate which is in mm per revolution. Next step is N4G28 U0 W0. It is for go to home position. For it go to home position. Next is N5 M06 T0101. Here friends, M06 is for tool change operation, and here 01 represent the tool number and another 01 represents the offset number. Next is N6 M03 S600. Here M03 is for spindle on with spindle speed as 600 rpm. And next N7 G00 X42 Z1 M08. Here friends, G00 is rapid for rapid tool positioning and M08 is for coolant on. Here friends, in this case, in this operation N7 G00 rapid tool positioning to X42 Z1. Here friends, this is xz coordinate, and here this is z plus this is x plus. Here friends, we assume x plus. Here this is we have here x42. So here it will be, suppose this is 40 and this is 42, tool will be, and we have z1. So here tool this position is 42 0 and tool will be here, suppose z plus z is equal to 1. So this tool is now at this position here, this one, and which has coordinates 42 comma 1, that is this one is x and this one is z plus. Okay, next is N8 G00 X40 Z1. Here friends, again rapid tool positioning to X40 and Z1. So here friends, now Z1 is same, X40 that is tool will be now at this line, at here tool B will be here now at this point, as you can see here. From 42, this is 42, we have taken 42, and this is 40, x40, and z1 is still there, so tool will be now here at this position. Next is N9 G74 x30 z minus 60. Feed rate is here 0.2, which is given, and d is equal to 1, that is, this is depth of 1 mm for each operation, each cut. Here G74 is for stock removal cycle. It is with incremental depth of cut of 1 mm with feed rate of 0.2 and diameter reduced from x40 to x30. Feed rate is 0.2 and Z is here minus 60. So minus 60 means, friends, tool will move from this position. Now it is here from this position to this, that is in the leftward direction, so it will be minus here. At this point Z will be minus. So here, friends, as we can see, we have x30. So now tool will move at depth of 1 mm. So tool first will move here, take one cut from here, then take a depth of 1 mm, then another cut will be like this, then 1 mm cut again like this, then again 1 mm cut like this, till it reaches the diameter as 30 mm up to the length 60 mm. This is total 60 mm here, as we can see. Next is N10 G00 x32 Z1. Here, friends, again rapid tool positioning to x32 and Z1. So here, friends, suppose this is 30 we have, and this is suppose 32. The tool will be now at rapid tool positioning at x32 and Z1. So tool will be here, suppose at this position, below the, suppose in this case below the 30 line, 32. Next is again N11 G00 x30 Z1. Now tool will be at this position, this is 30 and this is Z1, and again from 32 to 30 it tool will be here now. Next is N12 G74 x20 Z minus 30 f.2 and d is d1, that is depth is 1 mm for each cut, each operation. Here, friends, x is 20, that is tool will be x20 minus 30, Z minus 30. So here, friends, minus 30 will be here up to this point. Here this is minus 30, here this one, and tool will be go like each cut, tool will take each cut as 1 mm up to this point, like this, up to it reaches the diameter as 20. Here, friends, 20 up to this 20. Next is, friends, N13 G00 x22 Z1. Again rapid tool positioning to x22. So suppose this is 20, x22 will be here and this is Z1, so tool will be here now. Now Z N14 G28 U0 W0. Now go to home position, tool will go to the home position here. Now here, friends, N15 M05 N15 M05 is for spindle off, N16 M09 is for coolant off, N17 M02 is for program end, and last is N18 M30 is for end of tape and rewind. So we have seen here, friends, how to write the manual part program for this particular part. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.